Hello learner, hope you learn from this session and a warm welcome at Learning Platform Chat Inside. Today's session is belong to class first maths and from their syllabuses our today topic place value. If you want that spell out with me that the word it's a PLACE place and the next one is a value VALUE value. Okay, it's a flower for you. That means it's a first part of a second half. Okay, now come on the next one page. Now I'm going to decoding these points. First one is here numbers. Next one is a one digit numbers. Second one is a second digits number. Third point is making a 10. Four point is place value. Next point is a place value chart. After that, the last one point is 0. Okay, and last one point is a little bit important for you because of that you are here always confused on these points what we have to do with the 0. Okay, so it's a good to you for stay on our last point. Now begin that the session. How many apple is here? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the next one, 1, 2, 3. Okay. On the next one, it's a 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And here it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a 7. It's a 7, 8, 9. And then last one is our 10. Okay. And also remember the one thing is that it's a first group. Okay. It's a second group. It's a third group. And last one is our fourth group. Okay. If all the apples we kept in a bucket, so how do you remember that in a first group how many apple are in the second group how many, then the third, then the fourth? That's just you have a no idea about that when we put it all in a single bucket. Okay, in a single bucket if I put a one group, two group, three group and a four group, so you have a doubt that no, we are not remember that the how many apple is there. But if we for the group one, it's a 5 apple. So if we give it a number 5, okay, and for the second group, it's a 3 apple. It's a 3 apple. Because of that, in a bucket we have put a group. We put a group, okay, not the counted the apple. So in a first group, if we give it a number is a 5, which is specific, and if for the second group we give it a number is a 3, and for the 3 how many apple is here? 4, so we give it a number of 4, And a fourth group, how many apple is here? It's a 10. So we give it a number which is a 10. That says, bacha, each number which is a here like a 5, like a 3, like a 4, like a 10. Okay, this so something that sense a specific object. Okay, are are a thing. Okay, just remember here it's a things. Okay, it's a things, bacha. Things that the sense when we are not put the any object their name. Okay, so we just count it in a things. Okay, so that the number indicate about a something like a 3. So we just think about that, yes, there is a 3 something. Okay, it's about apple, shoes, razor, and skill, notebook, whatever. That sense. And next one, if you look at here, that 4 means there is a something which a number is a 4. That means they are in accounting. When we account, we found a 4 thing. Okay. What about a 10? 10 that the means when we are looking at the anything where the mention a 10 on them, that since bacha there is a 10 things is there. Okay, if we're talking about a 10 chocolate, that means you have a how many chocolate? You have a 8 chocolate is there. Either anyone say that on your table there is a 6 chocolate. There is a 6 chocolate. Okay, when we go to there and just check out, so there is a 6 chocolate. That says bacha that the 6, that the number is represent a anything. Okay, which we are count, which we are count, which we are count. Okay, which we are count. And it's easy to remember the all the things. Okay, so number is about to, in a simple way, we have to just write a things without any disturbance, without any disturbance. Okay, just a wait. Just neat and clean my page as your teacher remark in your notebook. Please neat and clean your page. Okay, so that's why, bacha, that is a simple way is that a number, a number which help us to count a object, a number which help us to count to object. If here are 5, so we have an idea there is a 5 apple. If here is a 3, so we have a simple idea, yes, there is a 3 apple. It's we look at a 4, so we have idea it's a 4 apple is here. If here a 10, so we have a clear idea in our mind is that yes, there is a 10 apple. Clear? Okay, definitely you got that the all the points from here, and I'm just, it's a rough sketch of the concept and it's a proper word for it. Look at here. It's a number 5 for the 5 apple. It's a number 3 for the 3 apple. It's a number 4 for a 4 apple. It's a number 10 for a 10 apples. Move on the next page. Look at here. Here are 2 column. How many? It's a 2 column. Okay. It's a 1 here and the another one column is here. Okay. So if then you are asked that the how many is the dug here, or another one side is the how many. So what you are do to here? A simple thing is that we just count it. Okay, if you count it and without not the put the specific number for the any group, like if you count it, suppose that if you count it, it's a 9. If you count it, it's a 9, and if you count it, it's a 10. Okay, and you can't give it the other number. Just count it. It's a 9 and a 10 and the leftover, and just do your the work anything. Again, you come back to here, and same question is arises again, like how many dug is here? Is a one side. It's a one side bacha, and how many dug on the another one side? So you have to again count it. Oh, where the 9 and the 10, we have not the idea. So maybe 10 is here or the 9 is here. Then for that the mistake, we have just put a that the first group is a 9 number, which is just the example. It is not the real for the 9, and for the second group we have just the put the specific number, which is a 10, and remark here like that. I'm just show to you within a second. So when you remark a number on a first side and the second side, then you never ever forget the other counting. That's why the number we are needs to represent anything, okay, which is the living or the non-living. So here it's a, if you want then the count it, but I'm not interested to write the each one. It's like a one, it's a two, okay. I'm not interested, bacha, because of that. Just take it also too much time to write over here, okay. So we are just the count it of in a fast way. Okay, it's a two. It's a clear now, one and a two. So, and here also I'm just started with the one and a two. Okay, just the mark here and count it like that. It's with the that one. Okay, look at here. It's a one, bacha. It's a one. It's a two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and a 10. So on a one side, how many dug is? 10. Superb. We just give it a remark, which is a 10. And of another side is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So on another one side is a 14. So again we give a remark, which is a 14. And for us it's easy to remember or the recognize the both sides. So one side is a 10 duck and the another one side is a 14 duck. Clear? Okay, super. Now the come on to the next one. Example is here, which is again arrange a few apple for you. And if you want then the count it, but I'm not interested to again count it, but interested in a write these uh, each one. So that's why just count it in a rough way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So how many apple is here? It's a 25. Now I will give it a remark and I never ever forget it. It's a 25. Okay, very good. Come on the next one page. Look at here. Next point is number. Okay. Have you idea about what is the number? Number is that which is counted by yourself from a play group. Okay. In your play group, KG section, LKG section, just started a counting from a first, two, three. It's a three, four, four, and a five, six, seven, and the last one is our the 100. Okay. So that is the counting is also known as a number. That the counting number is known as a number. Okay, that the counting number is known as a number. So what is the number? If we want to be the look at it properly, what is the number? Look at here. A symbol or a word. A symbol or word that show a things. Okay. So started from a here, it's a symbol. What is the mean of the symbol? It's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. Okay, 1, it's a 2, it's a 3, it's a 4. Okay, so it's a symbol. Okay, which is help us to identify are the counted at the any things. Word, word like a 1, 2, 3, 4. Word like a one, then the 3, so THREE, then it's around the FOUR4, so on, bacha. Okay, and show as you know that which indicated and things which is around us. What is the mean of the things? Which is anything which is around us. Anything which is around us. Okay. Example of your notebook, book, box, pencil, razor, sharpener. It's a sharpener, cutter, cutting paper for when we use a scissor, and also your scale, your bag, your water bottle, everything which is around us. That is we call a things. Okay. So number is that which help us to count the things around us. Okay, look at the next one point is a one digit number. Is a one digit number which is started from a 0 to last one is a 9. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, it's a one digit number. Look at the next one point is it's a two digit number. It's a two digits number. Okay, which is started from a 10, which is started from a 10 and over on a 99, over on a 99. Okay, why we call it a two digit number? Because of that when you look it to here, it's a 10, there is a 1 and a 0. Okay, there is a 1 and a 0. If you look at the 11, there is a 1 1, that is 2 1 1, here a one digit and a one digit, so that's why it's called a two digits. Okay, if look at to the upper one corner is here, it's a 14. Okay, in a 14 here one digit which is a 1 and another one digit is a 4, so it's a 14. If we look at like a 19, so in a 19 it's a 1 is a one digit and a 9 is another one digit, so 1 1, when we add we got it a two digit number, we got it a two digit number. Okay, 1 and a 9, that is bacha all the two digit number which is composed are the made by a first digit number. Okay, here a 1 1 2 1 1 2. Look at here in a 12, it's a 1 1 2, it's a 1, it's a 1, so it's a 2, it's a 1, it's a 1, it's a 2, it's a 1, it's a 1, so it's a 2. That is bacha a 1 this is also come from a one digit, and the 5 is also come from a first digit number. So the two digit number where a two number are simply show by our sense organ, which is our eye. Okay, so it's easy to visible that each number here, it's a one number, it's a two number, it's a one number, it's a two number, so it's a two digit number. Okay, if it's not easy or tough for you to remember all the two digits number examples, just note down one thing in your mind that wait, I'm just clean that the page, and then look at here. If you have a doubt in a two digit number, so just remember one thing that is started from a 10 and over a 99. Okay, it's started from a 10 and over on a 99. Okay, and a one digit number which is started from a 0 and over on a 9. Clear? Okay, look at to the next one. Um, here one digit number which is started from a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so here are a few things like apple, horse, bird, silent elephant, dog, a smiley face, banana, and a goats. And the each we give the specific number of the each object, so it's easy to count it. Like how many apple is here? One. So for the one apple, we give a specific number which is a one. For the goat, we give it a how much number? How many number is here? It's a two goat. Then we give it a specific number which is two. How many horses here? One, two, three. It's a three horse. So we give it a number which is a three. That the three also help us if we call it a three horses there. So it's easy to think about it. Yes, one horse, second horse, and the third horse. Clear? And then if I told to you that the four banana on a table, so you can be think about that. Yes, there is a four banana, one for me, one for my junior one for my elder sister, and one extra for me also. Okay, so it's a four banana is here. That is with the no, specific number we can be the easily counter things which is around us. Okay, if we are just the count is a five. If we counted the bird, one, two, three, four, five. So how many bird is here? It's a five. We give it a specific number. If we look at the duck, we have to give a specific number, which is a six. If we count it, and the next one is a seven, and then the after is a eight. It give us indicate us or the show us that there is a eight smiley face. And the last one is a most passionate or crazy about that the animal which is known as a elephants. Okay, look at here, it's a big one, then their babies, then it's a elder one, and then the babies, and the last one is a very cute baby is here, and his mother is here. Okay, who always indicate that the little one do this, don't do that, do it in this way. Okay, come on. So if you want that count it one, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8, 9. So how many elephants is here? It's a 9. That since if we call it a 9 elephant is here, that since we can imagine that yes, the 9 elephant is here, which is one the mother and their babies here. Okay, that's his bacha. It's a very easy to recognize the object with the specific number. If not the specific number, so we have just the always the counter things. Okay, सपोज दैट बच्चा इधर अगर आपने यहाँ पे 5 नंबर अगर पुट नहीं किया होता, आपको ये बर्ड को बार बार काउंट करना पड़ता, 1 2 3 4 5। अभी आप इस स्माइली को काउंट करते, ये 8 था, इट्स 8, एंड देन यू कम बैक ऑन अ 5, so you forget that how many is here. So for the remember the things, we have to just give it a specific number according to their counting, and we not forget their the number. Okay, look at the next one is a two digit number. Example of the two digit number. Okay, so here how many apples is we already counted. How many is here? It's a 25. So 25 is a two digit. It's a 2 and a 5. It's a 2 and a 5. Look at here. It's a 2 and a 5. So for the 2, put a 1 number, and for a 5 put a another one number. If we add that the both the number like a 1 1, when we add the 1 1, we got it the how much is here, there the outcome is a 2, the outcome is a 2. So That is bacha here it's a two-digit number. Okay, are a very simple way to remember it. When the digit is started from a 10, that all other number is a two digits number. Clear? Okay. Look at the next one page. It's again the example of the duck as we counted. So in a first group, how many duck is here? In a first group, how many duck is here? It's a 10 as we counted. In a second group, we already counted how many duck is here? It's a 14. Clear? Look at the next one point is it's about making a 10. Okay. If you have to just make a coin like that, a coin like that, which is a 10. A coin like that, which is a 10. Okay. So how do you make your the 10 coin is here? If you have to just collected a single coin. If if it is a instruction that collect a single coin and then make a 10. So you what you do for it? Think about that. What you do for it? That anyone told to you that you have to make a 10 coin, okay? A 10 rupees coin, that since a 10 rupees, you have to make a 10 rupees. Suppose that bacha, you have to make a 10 rupees. Clear? And there is a also indicated other told to you, you have to just collect a 1 rupees. Not the not the coin of the 2 rupees, okay? Not the collect a coin of the 5, okay? Do not collect a 5 coin, you just have a collect of 1 coin. So we have to take a 1 coin a 10 time. 1 coin a 10 time. How many time? It's a 10 time. It's a 10 time. When we take a 1 coin is a 10 time, then we have a 10 rupees. Then we have a 10 rupees. Okay, 10 rupees. Like a upper one. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so when we collect a 1 rupees, then we make a 10 rupees with it. Clear? That says bacha on every 10 rupees, on every 10 rupees, there is a 1 rupees is always behind them. Okay, always behind them. Okay, come on, look at the next one. So a 10, a 10 means a 10 coin of a 1 rupees. A 10. एक 10 बनाने के लिए for a 10 we have just a collect a 10 coin of 1 rupees. Then we make a 10. Okay. It's hope so clear to you. And look at here. Next one point is it's again making a 10. Okay. So it's a first one point around a 10 rupees. Okay. A 10 we need a 10 coin of 1 rupees. So for a 20 rupees, we have to collect how many coin of a 1 rupees? Yes, very good. Each one is a give it a right answer. We have just a collected 20 coin. When we collect a 20 coin of the 1 rupees, we make a 2 10. Okay. Come on, the next one point is that it's about the zero bacha. Addition. Okay. In a addition case, in when we are the adding a number with the 0 and a 0. Okay, when we have to add a 0 in a 0. Okay, so what we got to here? We got a 0. Why we have got the 0? That's its bacha, because of that 0 means nothing. Zero means nothing. Okay, their value is nothing. Okay, so that's why when we add any number in a zero, we got it a same number. Okay, in a zero, when we add a zero in a zero, we got it a zero. आप ऐसे याद रखिएगा. You have to just remember it like that. When we add a zero in a zero, we got it a zero. Okay, look at the next one is, it's a subtraction. Okay, when we subtract a zero from a zero, when we, it's a zero, it's again zero. And what we have to do it, here it's a subtraction. So we have to use a symbol of it, which is like that. And when we subtract a zero from a zero, we got it a here zero. Clear? Okay, look at the next one is that it's about a multiplication, which is again a new point for you. You are not here at, in your class or in your syllabus because of that. It's not maybe your half yearly exam is done. Na? After your half yearly exam, it's a annual points. So look at here. It's about a multiplication. Multiplication sign is that it's a zero and we have just a multiply of a zero. So it's a symbol of a multiplication like a cross. Okay. So when we cross with zero, we got it already here a zero. Because of that, zero means a nothing. Zero means a nothing. So that's why we got it a same point, which is on a first here, first point, which is on here a first point. First one, it's a first one, and it's a first one. So first point is here, we got it the same as on our answer. I'm just also explain that the zero concept in a addition, subtraction, and the multiplication when we take the next season on the educational video. Okay, and it's a really it's a really thankful appreciation for me. Okay, if you once, I'm just clean it and then repeat my word again for you because of that it's a neat and a clean piece always. It's a teacher remark by you. Every teacher which teach you English, Hindi, EVS, SST, maths teacher also, and don't forget a science teacher comments in your notebook, other remark in your notebook. So come on that the last one page. Okay, it's a like that the channel, that the page, subscribe that the channel if you want. And it's a really thankful appreciation for me. My motivation is your support to me make a more interactive educational session for you. Okay, thank you to being here. Stay healthy. Bye bye.